MiG-29 jet transfer to Ukraine halted by Poland over claimed drone snub. So the decision to stop the donation of 14 additional MiG-29 jets comes amid worsening relations between the two countries of Poland and Ukraine. This is from thewarzone.com. So Poland won't transfer additional MiG-29 Fulcrum fighters to Ukraine because Kyiv won't provide drone production technology information, the country's defense minister and deputy prime minister said. The move represents a pivot from policies of the previous Polish government and comes amid worsening relations between Kyiv and Warsaw. And under former President Duda, Poland donated 14 of its MiG-29s to Ukraine, becoming the first country to commit to supplying combat jets to Kyiv. However, under new President Polish Nawrocki, who was elected last August, the country is now seeking something tangible in return for the fulcrums. So I proposed what I believe was a very partnership-based approach, MiGs in exchange for drones. This is the defense minister and deputy prime minister told the Polish news outlets. So the Ukrainians initially agreed, but they did not honor this arrangement, so there will be no MiGs for Ukraine because Poland does not have drones or the capability to use them. So yeah, it looks like the Polish defense minister lauded Ukraine's defense technology, saying Ukraine has such significant capabilities in the field of drones that in return for the military equipment it has received, it could have shared its know-how with Poland and provided partial access to its technologies. So the Polish move echoes Trump's stance on Ukraine and the NATO alliance writ large. The American leader has frequently criticized the Biden administration for giving Ukraine military aid with no compensation and NATO for not doing enough to pay for its own defense. Thank you guys very much for watching. And I guess we'll see what happens with Poland and Ukraine as the tension is rising between their military weapon trade, right? So see you guys in the next one.